Okay, we're outside of Venetian, and we're gonna go in today, and we're gonna just I'm going to see the casino floor. I won't be able to bring the camera, but there's a couple of vantage points where I can take a look, and we're gonna and I'll let you know anyways. I'm gonna walk through it and I'll just let you know how many people there are in there. So there's a little bit of tourists now, but nowhere near like it usually is. Usually this whole thing would be filled with cars for one, but it's completely empty. There's a whole line of taxis that are waiting, but there's hardly any customers. Okay, anyways, let's go in and let's go check it all out.
Chiquinha,
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're gonna be coming up on Venetian, and we have a little wedding here. Cool. So, okay, we're gonna come up here and we're gonna take a look inside. And I have a request, see how many players there are. So I'm actually gonna try to film this one spot I know in the Venetian where you can film the casino floor going up an escalator. And I'll go through the floor and I'll let you know. Right now we're kind of on the outside. This is called, well, this is Venetian. It looks a little bit different on this particular angle, but basically this is Venetian and this is Parisian right there, and then over here is going to be the future Londoner. Okay, but we're going to go into the Parisian.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're inside the Venetian. So basically what we're gonna do is go through this one that you guys all want me to check out is how many gamblers are on the casino floor. This feels like there's more people. Usually there's like a little stage, it looks like they're setting something up now. So I think the mainland tourists are starting to come in again. I read some things that no foreigners are allowed in and all. So not even like people with work visas. They're called blue card holders. They're not allowed. Some are just stuck in Hong Kong for the last 2.5 months, and there's no plan for them to be able to come in. And also like for foreigners too, if they're here and then they leave, they won't be able to come back unless you have a residency. So they're pretty tight right now. So but it's basically all open to mainlanders, so they can come and go now. I think Macau people can't leave the city right now unless they go into a 14-day quarantine. But if you're a mainlander, you can come and go. So it looks like they have everything set up for tourists, and I definitely see a lot more people walking around. And we're gonna walk down. There's a food court right here, and there's a casino floor. So I'll see if I can do my camera. We'll just see if I can or not. I'll try to make it as conspicuous. So here's our food court right there. This is usually where we come in. So you're gonna see the, I'll just see if I can, I'll just hold the camera like I'm not really filming this at all. Okay, so this is so these are all the blinking lobbies, and so I tried to film that a little bit so you can try to see some gold. And I'm going to walk into the main grounds, turn off the camera, and then we'll see if we can go in there or not. Okay, it looks pretty empty. So these are some of the Venetian. There's some pretty cool stuff everywhere. So let's just take a look. Actually, you can kind of see, I guess you can see parts of it. So this is Venetian, and you don't really see hardly anybody. Everything looks really empty. Let's just take a look at that ceiling. It's really cool too. But yeah, so basically there's not really any players. So looks like I can kind of film a little bit right there, but there's almost nothing. So I'll make sure I'm also filming some of the walls and some of these paintings. But basically when you look down there, you can see there's almost nobody around. I just walked through. There are people that are sitting there who are dealers that are waiting for people to come in, but there's not really anybody sitting in there. don't know if you can see some of that or not. So anyways, that's basically where we're at. It's pretty empty. So we're going to let's just go one more time now to see what you can. I think I guess there actually are spots where you can film on this floor, which is kind of ironic because some of the other ones you cannot. Whoa. It's pretty cool. Da Vinci. Okay, so we're gonna walk into the other parts, and there's more tourists here now, I noticed. So the tourists are finally starting to come back, but it's open to people from Zhuhai, basically in Guangdong, I believe. So I believe that they can come and go now, and supposedly they don't have any cases or haven't in quite a while. But there's other parts of China that does. So I don't know. We're just gonna walk. I want to walk to get to the gondola a little bit. There's a gondola over that side and one over here too. So we're just gonna get over to the gondola and then just want to film that and see if we can see if there's any activity here. Lord Stowe's. Lord Stowe's is a so this is where the gondolas come. There is a gondola person right there. Slowly, there's nobody in it. I think they usually come in this space right here. But there's nobody there now. Looks like they're also building something up here too. Another gondola. Actually, I haven't really seen anybody even with the gondolas going around anywhere in quite a while, so it's pretty unusual. But yeah, so Venetian has this little canal system that goes through, and there's he's waving to us. So. All right. From I live here. All right. So let's see. There he is over there. Okay, so those are the gondolas. So okay, and I think we're gonna end. This is probably gonna run out of film in any minute. Okay, we're going to conclude here, but as you can see, there's hardly any tourists. There are some coming in now, but so actually things feel a little bit closed and a little bit not quite what it could be, basically. But yeah, so this is Venetian, and you can see how beautiful the ceilings are too, right? And I think I'm probably going to lose my my battery again, but that's what it looks like. Let's see. And we're going to conclude it right there. So at least now, this was the main focus of this one anyways, was just to let you see how many casino gamblers there are right now. And as you can see, as you might have seen, not many, almost none. Okay, let's close right there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.